Welcome. Let's see how to improve your texture size for 3D assets in Badvisor. Go to Badvisor and click on your dashboard. Scroll down to the tools and look for Texture Compressor. It will open a new tab and you need to click on the Texture Compressor. I have a 3D asset ready so I can drag and drop it directly into the scene. A quick navigation help: if you hold Control on your keyboard and zoom in with the mouse wheel, you can make the text bigger. Under Texture Details, you can see the current disk size. That is not bad at all. But if you compare it with the size below, the GPU size is bigger. Not only in Badvisor, but for any navigator, the GPU size is important. So we can quickly improve this just by clicking Select Type, None, and check the box of the base color texture. Under Image Type, select WebP and leave the rest as default for testing. Now just wait until the compression is done. Now we can compare the differences in sizes and continue changing the size or compression. Now you can export the GLB with the new textures pack. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.